Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME 11 and let me show you how to enter developer options. At first, open the settings, then select About Device, find and select version. Here you will notice build number, tap on it 7 times. As you can see, after that you are a developer, so now you have to go back and developer options can be found under additional settings. Here they are. Smoothly click to open, and now you can use them however you like. So if you want to activate, for example, a refresh rate, just click it here, and as you can see, this will be applied. Then turn it off the same way. And it is working all the same for any other option. And whenever you want to close developer options, just unmark the stop switcher. From now on, developer panel is no longer accessible, and to enter it, you have to perform the same trick again. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.